Hi everyone, it's Daniella and welcome back to my channel. Sorry about the shadow, it's nighttime here in New Jersey. That's where I'm from, and that's why I was asking if you thought I had an accent. I don't do a lot of, I talk my head off, but I mean, talking about stuff like, you know, I don't say things on camera like coffee. That's how we say coffee. It's, you know, or I'm just talking or something, you know. So maybe I don't say enough to have an accent noticeable. I don't know, but I was asked by a few different people recently if I was from certain places. Somebody said North Carolina, and I don't know why. And I was like, no, but you know, thank you. And it was just made me start to wonder if anybody, you know, thought I had an accent. So it was fun, and I thank you all for your sweet answers. You're all awesome, and you know that. So now let's talk about this box. It is the Crafter's Companion subscription box, and this is box number 5? No, it's 6. I was going to say, this is not 5. I thought the number was wrong, but no. I think my head is what's wrong here. So, let's take a peek. I did open it only so that I could open any packaging or any of that. And, you know, it always comes with this thing from Sarah. Welcome to my new project kit. And I don't think I've ever actually read it, but I'm sure it's something sweet. And, you know, there's the website that you go to for inspiration and stuff. And so, pretty purple paper, I always think is so fun. As far as there was not a live video before the box shipped. However, where you get the videos and things that come with your kit did show that it was the Aqua pens, Aqua Markers this month. So I did know that, but I don't know if it was before it shipped. Can't say, but I do have some Aqua pens, and I got those Aqua brush markers too. So I still think it's I'm pleased with the product that is in this kit. I did not do a video with the quilling kit because I found that the flowers, the bottom was really thick. So instead of it just being a flower, you put it on and it's got dimension. It also had like a 1/4+ inch underneath. So I don't know if it was me or what, so I didn't do a video or anything. But hopefully this month I will with these Aqua Markers, because I don't know, this kit looks pretty yummy. So there are 4 stamp sets. This is the first one, and as you see, got butterflies and another butterflies, a lot of butterflies. And trying to move so you can see better. You know, like make this one and those guys look, put them in the distance like they're flying away. This is a pretty flower bunch and a flower corner and flowers and stuff. So that is a nice one. This card ends up messing it up, so I can't through what I'm trying to do. Oh, let's see. Okay, and then we have this stamp set, a bunch of pretty sentiments. Trying to make sure you can see them all. May you always be brave enough to fly. With love, happy, thank you, hello, birthday. You make my heart flutter. You, especially for you, smile and beautiful. They're very nice sentiments and very big. Like this brave one is like that with my finger, not including the nail. You know, so they're pretty big, which is cool. And these are, I like this. These are layering flowers. So you know you put the darker color first and then you put the detail one on top. So that'll be fun to play with, especially with watercolor markers. You know, you stamp this more messy and then put that on top. So that's a nice stamp set. I like that. And then this one is more butterflies, and this is cute, like a dandelion and stuff. So those are the stamp sets. And then you get blank cards and envelopes. I think there's 6 of each. These are 5 by 5 square. Measured them. This is your regular card. I always forget if it's A2 or A4. The 5.5 by 4.25 cards. So got those. And these are 5 by 7 cards. And you get the 3 markers. This one is yellow. This one is rose pink. And this one is, what the heck color is this? Kingfisher. That's what it says, right? Can you read that? Over here I'm in the shadow. So, yeah, that's just weird. So, yeah, those are the colors. And they have a very fine point at one end. Very fine point, which is nice. But they have a really good brush end at the other end, which is awesome. You can tell which end is which too because of this white line. You know, that's the fine end. And then you get watercolor paper, which is, you know, really thick. I don't know how much is in here, but because it's so thick, I think it looks like more than it is, but watercolor paper has to be thick, so that is good. And this I opened, so I didn't have to make too much crinkling noise. They're word die cuts. This one says smile, this one says hope, this is faith, this is dream, love, and hello. I don't know, it's hard to get it in so you can see it, but this is clearly watercolor paper, and they'll be fun to watercolor or even using them as a mask. So that's another fun idea. And last, there is the colored card stock. Jeez Louise. Okay. And it's in 3 pieces of each. There's orange and green and blue and purple, pink. These are very bright colors, and yellow. There you have it. So that is the Crafter's Companion Subscription Box 6 watercolor markers. I just want to see the front. Yeah, Aqua Marker pen kit. I just didn't want to. I kept feeling like I was saying it wrong. So, like I said, I hope to get back soon and maybe we'll make some fun projects together. I think that would be cool, but everything is happening so quickly, right? I mean, I just heard yesterday that Thanksgiving seems like it's like a week early. I thought Thanksgiving was the last Thursday in November, but this year it's not the last Thursday. If anybody knows what's up with that, please put it in the comments. I don't know. Have I been wrong? I just feel like it's super early. It's like in 3 weeks. I don't know what's going on there. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, liking, subscribing, giving me thumbs ups, and all of your awesome comments. I really appreciate you all, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.